is ready to sail to Burke, sir.
Excellent! Now that this whole Alvin thing is behind us, we can lure Hiccup and his Night Fury into battle.
Why wait? I'm right here, Dagger. Me and my Night Fury.
Hiccup.
I thought we could settle this like real Vikings. Just you and me.
Sir, don't let him beat you. We have the advantage in numbers.
Me and my Skrill against you and your Night Fury? I like those odds. Take this! Just keep watching!
Really, Dagger? I'm still here! Fire Toothless now!
That's it? I was hoping for something more challenging.
So was I.
Any last words, Hiccup?
I got nothing. How about you, buddy? I really don't think he's going to be leading an invasion anytime soon. Wish I could say the same for this guy. Actually, scratch that. We need him to follow us.